If you make short form content, you have a very limited amount of time to hook and keep your viewers' attention. Today, we're going to look at 3 editing tips to help keep people watching. If there's any dialogue in your YouTube short, Instagram reel, or TikTok, you need to use captions. You'd be surprised at how many people watch short form content with the volume turned all the way down. To make sure you hook your viewer and keep them watching, you need them to either hear or read your message. That's why captions in short form content are essential. I edit my videos in Final Cut Pro, and there's a few tools out there that make adding captions to your video easier than ever. My favorite tool is called Captionator, and you can download it right from the App Store. I've done a full video on using Captionator, but it's super simple. After installing and setting up Captionator, you just hit the share button and choose the Captionator share destination. Select the style for your captions and click the Generate button. This will make a new project in your Final Cut Pro library with the generated captions as title clips. Select these clips, copy them, and paste them over to your project for burnt-in captions. One of the most common mistakes I see people making when using Captionator is a super fast and simple way to add animated captions to your project. If you want to learn more about it, I'll link the video I did on it earlier in the description below. If you make talking head videos like this one, using lots of B-roll can help keep your viewer watching longer. But instead of just a boring cutaway, here's a cool way to mix your A-roll and your B-roll clips. Select your B-roll clip in the media browser, bring it down into your timeline, but instead of connecting it above your timeline like you normally would, connect it below. Press V to disable your top clip if you need to resize or reframe your connected clip. Move your playhead to where you want to cut away to your B-roll clip and blade your top clip. Select the second part of your clip and, from the effects browser, add the scene removal mask to remove the background. Add a cross dissolve between your 2 clips to smooth out the cut, and if you need to move your A-roll clip out of the way, use the transform tool to animate some movement. One of the most common mistakes I see people making when using the scene removal mask in Final Cut Pro. Here's the opening clip from the last YouTube short I made. One of the most common mistakes I see people making. Now, this is what I filmed. This is not very clear in any of the documentation, and is probably why this is one of the most common mistakes I see people making when using the scene removal mask in Final Cut Pro. By default, on most platforms, short form content will play and repeat. So, for a little bit more watch time, film the end and the start of your clip in one shot. Blade your clip where you need to, and move the first part over to the end of your project. Now, when you upload your video and it plays on repeat, it'll play in a seamless loop, getting you more of that sweet watch time. Next time you're watching short form content, pay attention and see how many creators are using the methods we talked about today. Also, see what else some of the most popular creators are doing to keep your attention. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back here next week.